Let's talk about protein quality. The protein quality of foods is determined by the amino acid composition in the food. High quality proteins provide all of the essential amino acids in the amounts needed by the body to make proteins, where low quality proteins are limited in one or another essential amino acid. Animal proteins such as meat, fish, poultry, eggs, cheese, and milk are high quality proteins, meaning they provide all the essential amino acids that the body needs in the amounts needed. Plant foods, including grains, legumes, and vegetables, are low quality proteins. Legumes such as black beans, pinto beans, kidney beans are a little higher in quality than vegetables and grains. So lower quality proteins have less of one or more amino acids that the body needs or in the amount they need. And we call this a limiting amino acid. So grains along with nuts and seeds are low in the amino acid lysine, where legumes and vegetables are low in the amino acid methionine. Now, by combining these together, a grain or a nut with a legume or a vegetable, we can complete the protein in each food and get the amino acids needed. So together they complement each other. Now, an easy way to remember what to combine is just to combine a grain or a nut with a legume or a vegetable. Now let's look at this in another way. This table gives a visualization of how low quality protein foods eaten alone don't provide all the essential amino acids or in the amounts that you need. So for example, if I have legumes, I'm missing methionine and tryptophan, but if I have grains, I'm missing isoleucine and lysine. But if I eat them together, I get all of the essential amino acids needed in the amounts needed. So here's some examples of combining a grain or a nut with a legume or a vegetable to get all the amino acids. So a tortilla, which is a grain, with pinto beans, which is a legume. Rice, which is a grain, with lentils, which are a legume. Pita bread, which is a grain, with hummus, which is a legume. Or bread that is a grain with peanut butter, which is a legume. And yes, peanuts are a legume, but if you eat it with almond butter or sunflower butter, those are nuts or seeds. Now, you don't have to eat the foods at the same meal. You can combine foods in the same day. That will be adequate to get the protein you need. And quite frankly, if you eat a variety of plant foods in sufficient quantities, you will get all your amino acids. So remember, meat, eggs, and milk provide all 9 essential amino acids in sufficient quantities, and they do not need to be combined with other foods to get the essential amino acids you need for protein quality.